Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can run your virtual machine headless using UTM. UTM is a virtualization software. It's based on the QEMU. It's similar to the VirtualBox and VMware. So there is a tool called utmctl. It's located in the application directory here. Let's do that. Here you can see this utmctl. So it's recommended to create a symbolic link and put it in the bin directory using this command. Okay, after we do this step, you can use this command, utmctl command in here. So if you want to list your virtual machines, you can use a utmctl list. I have 2 VM, so I want to start this one, the federal server. So we will use utmctl start using this command. So here, and then just wait a moment to run your virtual machines. Then you can find the IP addresses to log into your virtual machines, what IPs are assigned to your virtual machines. So you can use utmctl IP address and then your VM name. So this IP is assigned to my virtual machine. So SSH. Now you can log in SSH to the install 64.2. Yes. Now you can log into your virtual machine so headlessly. So I will drop this link and the commands in the description. Thank you for your time.